Good morning, what is up you guys? Welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you guys are new. My name's Matthew, for anyone who doesn't know me already. I was able to get out early this morning and get to Sprouts. I was able to pick up a very solid $50 double. Right now it is 8:30. I'm gonna go plug into a supercharger right now, get a few miles. Not seeing much volume today, but with Christmas coming up within about 5 days from now, I do believe it's going to be busy today. This week, however, has been pretty weird. Monday and Tuesday I was able to clear 300, and yesterday I cleared 200 starting late. But honestly, in my opinion, with Christmas right around the corner, the orders haven't really been the highest quality. I've ran a lot of orders that are not necessarily desirable, small orders, but I have managed to stay pretty busy this week. Hopefully you guys are doing well. By the time you guys watch this video, hopefully you're absolutely crushing it. I know that Christmas and New Year's always have some amazing batches, so hopefully you guys are getting some of those. I'm going to try to get one more batch before Costco drop today. I'm going to plug my car in, charge a little bit, and I'll let you guys know when I pick up my next batch. Alright you guys, so we just dropped off that Lazy Acres order. Customer B was a repeat customer of mine. When I started that order, it was a $40 double, and throughout the shop, both customers added one item, and after dropping it off, that order total ended up being $47. So that, you guys, put us just under $100 on the morning. Very amazing start. It's almost 9:30 a.m. Costco is at 10 a.m. today. Right now, I am going to go plug into a supercharger because I didn't have time. I was actually about to plug in when this Lazy Acres came across my screen. So 9:30, just under $100. Excellent start. Hopefully you guys are crushing it today. I'm gonna go plug in, get to Costco. If something good pops up, I'll skip Costco. I've been doing that lately. Like, Costco is not the end all be all. I'm definitely not gonna skip a 40 single or a 50 or 60 double just to make it to Costco. If something good comes up, I'm gonna take it, keep the momentum going. The biggest thing I would probably say about Instacart is when you lose momentum, it gets really hard to pick things back up and get back on the clock. When you constantly are on the clock taking batches, the end of the day result is always very satisfying. So I'm gonna do my best to not be that picky today. I wanna take quality orders, but if something is easy, quick, runnable, dollar per minute kind of order, then we're gonna jump on those today. We're off to an amazing start, and I'll let you guys know as soon as I get my next batch. All right, you guys, we got to Costco a little bit late. There was an accident on the freeway, so it took me a little bit longer to get here, but I pulled up. I got a low item 52 double. I'm happy about this order. It's a very good tip, and it shouldn't be a very long shop. So I'm gonna grab my boxes, head in. This is gonna put me at like 150 on the day, you guys. This is a great start. Alright, just dropped off customer B on that Costco order. It was a little messy in Costco today, but we got out of there. I've seen it worse. Customer A was a great repeat. I haven't even looked at the tip split, but customer B just tossed me a $20. She said she already put some on the app, but she gave me that as well. So there are some people that are feeling the holiday cheer and giving, you know, because it is a time of giving, and gratitude, I think, even though it's not Thanksgiving. But that put me at 150. It is 11:30, you guys. I'm not too far from a few good stores, so I'm making my way there right now. This is an excellent start to the day. Super grateful. Hopefully it stays busy. But yeah, I'll let you guys know as soon as I pick up my next order. All right, you guys. Didn't take long. I pulled at 18 single. It's 2 miles, 8 items. Figure why not run it? Gets me close to 170. Okay, so that one put us at 169 on the day. Right now, it is almost exactly 12 p.m. plus the 20 cash, which I don't really count the cash. I look at the day total on the app, but obviously, clearly the cash does count as well. Not only was he a repeat customer, very good tipper. It took me 20 minutes, and now I am waiting at a Tesla charger. They're all being used right now, so it'll probably be about, 3 or 4 minutes before I can get on one. But this is a great start, you guys. I'm hoping to get over 2 very soon. I'm gonna get back on the app, stay ready for the 12 o'clock drop. Because like I talked about in some other videos, batches do drop right around the hour mark or right around the 30-minute mark, sometimes even around the 15-minute mark. For example, like 12:15, 12:30, 12:45. So I'm gonna get back on the app, stay ready, stay locked. Gonna try to keep this momentum going, charge up for a bit, hopefully catch a batch here. But as soon as I get my next one, I'll let you guys know. All right, you guys, after about an hour wait, we picked up a $44 total wine order. It was only like 5 or 6 items. I have a 20-minute drive, so I'm gonna hit the road. I should be dropping this right around 2:15 p.m. And this will get me over $200. Should put me around 210 or higher. Little stall, but we're back at it, and hopefully we find some good momentum. So let's go get this dropped off. All right, you guys, that put me at like 213. It is about 220 right now. There is traffic, heavy traffic right now picking up for some reason. I don't know, 220 on a Thursday, why everybody decided to leave work early. So I'm not exactly sure where I'm gonna go. I think it should be getting busy soon. Still at a very solid number for the time of the day. It was a little bit dry throughout the afternoon, but I'm very optimistic for the rest of the day. So I'm gonna head to a store. I'll let you guys know how volume is, what I pick up next. I'm hoping I pick up something soon. I'm gonna head back to an area with a lot of stores. Probably gonna take me about 20 minutes to get there or a little bit more. But like I said, I'm optimistic for the day. It feels good. I feel like there's gonna be some great orders today. I've already been able to run some very good orders. So hopefully it just keeps up like this, and I'll let you guys know when I pick up another one. All right, we just picked up a 28 single repeat customer. It should only take about 20 minutes, you guys. It's like 23 items. Gonna grab a cart, head into Gelson's. This gets me closer to 250. Hopefully we can get to 3 soon. I think it's gonna heat up right around 3 o'clock, which is in like 15 minutes. So I'm trying to get this done as fast as possible. All right, we got that dropped off. That put us at 244. It is 320 right now, you guys. I'm gonna get back on the freeway, head a little bit north. I think volume is picking up. I know a couple of the guys are already on their next batch. I'm excited to see what I'm gonna get next, and hopefully it comes soon. We're on a pretty good pace. Didn't have to wait that long for that order, and I'll let you guys know as soon as I pick up my next one. All right, we got a good charge on the car. I'm over 130 miles, so I should be good for, the rest of the day, maybe until right before I go home. I just picked up a 40 single, only going a couple miles, super easy. I've had this customer before. This is gonna put me around 285. So I'm gonna try to blow through this. That way I can be at a store before 5 o'clock. Volume is really good. I passed a few small ones, some easy little guys, but I knew something better was coming. This is a great tip, should be an easy order. I'm gonna find parking, head in, and get this one going, you guys. right, we just got a 45 and we are going to run through it. I'm not going to film any of the shot because I want to blast through it and get to another batch, get it dropped off by 7 or before. So we're going to run through this. Okay, we dropped it off like right at 7:01. That did put me at 3:30 by 7-ish, so there is time for 400, absolutely. We really need some volume, or we need a really quality order within, 20 minutes. Something that can get me close to 400. We're at the time of the day where it is going to be a little slower, but that does not mean there's not going to be some quality still this evening. I've gotten some great orders at 7, 7:15, even 7:45. After 8 o'clock, it probably is gonna go down a little bit as far as volume and quality, but I'm gonna keep you guys in the loop. I'll let you know as soon as I get my next batch. All right, you guys, finished the day at 3:30. I'm super pumped for it. It did die off super hard near the end of the day, but it is what it is. Thursday, we got Christmas in 5 days. I think tomorrow and this weekend is gonna be absolutely insane. Hopefully you guys are out there crushing your numbers. Hopefully you guys kill it this Christmas and New Year's. I will be posting another video soon. I just picked up a burrito. I'm gonna call it a night. Hopefully you guys found some value as well as entertainment throughout this video. Keep doing your thing. Focus on the outcome at the end of the day and not the batches that you get. I want to say thank you to each and every one of you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video.